Hello students, I am going to explain about the Gauss divergence theorem. This is the relation between surface and volume integral. Statement of the theorem. If f equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k is a continuously differentiable vector point function and v is the volume bounded by the surface S, then double integration over S f dot n cap ds equal to triple integration over divergence of f into dv, where n cap is the unit normal vector to the surface S. Example based on the Gauss divergence theorem. Apply Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate double integration over surface S f dot n cap into ds, where f equal to 4x cube I minus x square y into j plus x square z into k, and S is the surface of the cylinder x square plus y square equal to a square, bounded by the planes z equal to 0 and z equal to b. Here we have Gauss divergence theorem. Double integration over S f dot n cap into ds equal to triple integration over v divergence of f into dv. First, here we have to evaluate divergence of f. Since f is given, f is here 4x square I minus x square y into j plus x square z into k. Here we have to find divergence of f. We know that divergence of f is also denoted by del dot f, where del is defined by I into dou upon dou x plus j into dou upon dou y plus k into dou upon dou z dot f, where f is that 4x cube I minus x square y into j plus x square z into k. Here multiply these terms. I dot I is 1, I dot j, its value is that 0. Similarly I dot k is 0. Then here dou by dou x into 4x cube plus j dot I is 0, j dot j is 1 and j dot k is 0. Therefore here dou by dou y into minus x square y plus here k dot I is 0, k dot j is 0, k dot k is 1. Therefore here dou by dou z into x square z. Differentiation of dou upon dou x, here 4x cube with respect to x, its differentiation is 12x square. Differentiation of x square y with respect to y, x square is constant, differentiation of y is 1. Next, differentiate x square z with respect to z. Here x square is constant, then differentiation of z with respect to z is 1. 12x square minus x square plus x square. X square get cancelled. Therefore, its value is 12x square. Divergence of f is that 12x square. Now consider divergence of f into dv. The triple integration over v, divergence of f is 12x square. dv is that dx, dy, dz. Here limits of volume v, that is given by z equal to 0 to b. Now consider the here given that surface of the cylinder x square plus y square equal to a square bounded by the planes z equal to 0 and z equal to b. Therefore, this triple integration or the limits v is given by z equal to 0 to b. Here surface of the cylinder x square plus y square equal to a square. This is bounded by in xy plane, that is the circle. Consider the here three-dimensional xy z axis. This is the cylinder which is bounded in xy plane. Here z equal to 0 and z equal to b. X square plus y square equal to a square. Now in the x-axis y is 0. Then substitute here y equal to 0. X varies from minus a to plus a. And y equal to here in this, here y can be written as plus or minus square root of a square minus x square. Therefore, limits of y are plus or minus square root of a square minus x square, and limits of x are plus or minus a. This is the figure for x square plus y square equal to a square. Therefore, triple integration over the v, divergence of f into dv, that is equal to here triple integration over the limits x varies from minus a to plus a, y varies from minus square root of a square minus x square to plus square root of a square minus x square, and z varies from 0 to b. The divergence of f is 12x square. dv is denoted by dz, dy, dx. Now integrate this function with respect to z using the limits z equal to b 0 to b. Now keeping here 12x square constant, a differentiation of z with respect to z. Here there is no z term, then differentiation of constant with respect to z is z between the limits 0 to b. Substitute the limits. X square into upper limit z equal to b and lower limit is that 0. That is x square into b dy dx. Next, now here this is the even function. X square is an even function. Therefore, this limit can be written as, that is 2 times integration over 0 to a. And here constant term with respect to y means constant. Constant term is always even term. Therefore, here minus square root of a square minus x square to a square minus x square can be written as 2 times integration over 0 to square root of a square minus x square. Now integrate this function with respect to y, keeping x as constant. Then here integration of constant with respect to y is that y between the limits 0 to square root of a square minus x square into dx. Now substitute the limits. Upper limit y equal to square root of a square minus x square, and lower limit is 0, that term become 0. And this is 12 into 2 into 2. This is 48b. Integration over the limits 0 to a x square square root of a square minus x square into dx. Now we have to integrate this function with respect to x. Here to evaluate this integral, we have to substitute x equal to a sine theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, this become dx equal to a differentiation of sine theta is cos theta into d theta. Now in this substitute the lower limit x equal to 0. Therefore value of theta become 0. When x equal to a, here a get cancels, then sin theta equal to 0. Therefore value of theta is pi by 2. Here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. Now substituting here x values in this integral, here we have triple integration over divergence of f into dv is equal to 48b. Here theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. X square is, x is that a sin theta. Therefore a square sin square theta, then square root of a square minus x square, that is a square minus a square into sin square theta into here dx. Dx is that a cos theta into d theta, which is equal to 48b. Integration over the limits 0 to pi by 2. A square sin square theta, here square root of a square minus a square sin square theta. In this a square is common term. Then a square into 1 minus sin square theta is that cos square theta. Then taking here square root of the a square cos square theta become a cos theta into a cos theta d theta, that is 48. In this all a square a is a to the power 4. Integration over the limits 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta into d theta. Now here we have to evaluate this integral. To evaluate this integral, here we have from the beta function. This is in the form integration over the limits 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power p theta cos to the power q theta into d theta, that is 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 divided by 2 q plus 1 divided by 2. Now comparing here this integral, here value of p is that 2 and q is that 2, and also we have relationship between beta and gamma function, that is beta of mn is equal to tau of m into tau of n divided by tau of m plus n. And also we have properties of the gamma function. Tau of n plus 1 is n factorial, or tau of n plus 1 is also n into tau of n. Now applying these properties, your above integral is given by, that is 48b into a to the power 4, and this can be written as applying this integral 1 divided by 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2. Here p value is that 2, that is 3 divided by 2. Q plus 1 divided by 2. Q is that 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 48b a to the power 4 1 divided by 2. Now apply the here relationship between beta and gamma function, that is tau of m into tau of n divided by tau of m plus n. Now here m is that 3 by 2, n is that 3 by 2, that is tau of 3 by 2 into tau of 3 by 2 divided by tau of 3 by 2 plus 3 divided by 2, which is equal to 48b into a to the power 4 1 by 2. A tau of 3 by 2 can be written as tau of 1 by 2 plus 1 into tau of 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by tau of 3, which is equal to 48b a to the power 4 1 by 2. We are applying the properties of the gamma function, tau, which is in the form tau of n plus 1, that can be written as n into tau of n. Here n is that 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2 into tau of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 tau of 1 by 2. A tau of 3 can be written as tau of 2 plus 1. which is equal to 48b a to the power 4 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Here we know that value of tau of 1 by 2 is that root pi. Then substitute its value root pi into 1 by 2 into root pi, that divided by, here applying tau of n plus 1 is that n factorial. N value is that 2, which is 2 factorial, which is equal to 48b a to the power 4 into 1 by 2 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Factorial of 2 is that 2. Therefore, its value is that 16. Then root pi into root pi is that pi. Then now cancelling here terms, which is equal to 3 into b a to the power 4 into pi. Therefore, here surface integral value double integration over s f dot n cap into ds is 3b a to the power 4 into pi.